What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Got a cool little show for you tonight. You can ask Mojo anything. We're trying something out on Spaces. I'm going to bring in Pratty. Right now on the Spaces and join him to the screen. Hey, Pratty, what's up, brother? I think we can leave the Spaces live and talk live. No, we can't because I hear you. All right, let me mute it.
Yeah, that's right.
So yeah, they can just join from Twitter and come over to a YouTube. There's a chat, and they can chat in there, and we can say hello, and they can ask us anything in the YouTube chat.
Yeah, guys,
I'm actually
you can
gonna
either
pop
ask
out the
questions
chat.
here, or there's two links posted up above, a YouTube link and a direct join to stream link. So if you have a webcam or a mic, you can join Pro Trader and myself, ask us questions or any feedback you have, but have a webcam and a mic, obviously.
And
Or you
there's
can
the
just go to
chat.
the YouTube chat and talk in the YouTube chat. We'll answer there too, or we'll pick up questions from here too. So
Hey
anyone
there.
with questions, feel free to ask it.
Absolutely. All right. So what a day today, huh, Pratty?
I'll ask a few questions.
Hold up, you have a question?
Regarding today, how would you think today? Is it like a dead cat bounce, or do you think this is more of the bottom is in and it's time to start buying again?
All right.
So
Good
did
questions.
you hear that, Pro Trader?
I did. He said, is it the bottom? What do you think about the action today? He asked. And what would you be doing from here, pretty much?
Right.
It was pretty surprising today. What do you think about the action today in the market?
So what did I think? I think honestly, it wasn't too much of a surprise. If the market, I mean not market, if media came out saying that the news was gonna be better than expected, it's not as bad as people were thinking it is, and it would bounce to the top side, and that's exactly what we got. We got obviously to start off the day was really choppy, went up and down, trapped a lot of people in those movements, especially for people who wanted to go for those breakout and just hold for the rest of the day type of traders like me. But if you were able to pick your levels and wait for a bit, pick your bottoms, the rest of the day just gave you such great opportunities on almost any big cap stock. So, you know, I got chopped up in the morning action. I think if you just were a little patient after the morning action, you just had rewards. So I think I don't really know about the whole dead cap bounce and stuff. I don't use that stuff. So just off of today's price action, I think we are due for back to more upside. I think the whole scare from the new variant is not as serious as people are thinking, but at the same time we could get another article coming out tomorrow saying it's really bad, it's scary, whatever, and then that could just drop it off the sky, right? So
What were you looking at? What stocks? I have it on the screen right here.
Yeah,
Were you looking at
that's
Moderna?
what I was thinking. I think once we get the first case, that'll be the real tell of the market of whether we're gonna continue going upward or downward. Because once we get the first case in the U.S., then that'll kind of give us a sign that like, oh, okay, we're taking it seriously, or no, it's no big deal at all.
Yeah, pretty much. Mike, where did you go? You're not in the space anymore?
I am. Oh, I'm not in the space anymore because I can't play it on the show because my phone doesn't mute when you're on Twitter Spaces. You can lower the volume, but it's still
Right.
too loud, so it picks it up on the show. So
Try tuning into both, but it's a bit complex, so I'm just gonna stay here.
I think we're actually just gonna move it there. Yeah, I think it doesn't make sense. So if anyone has that YouTube link, just follow Pro Trader Mike on that YouTube link, and we're just gonna do it on his show over there, and then I'll probably host the space another time.
When do you think you're gonna host the space, man?
Probably tomorrow or later tonight. We'll see. We'll see how things go, or I'll just join one. We'll see.
Okay,
Yeah, maybe
cool.
we'll do a
Alright.
spaces after this or something, but we'll see.
He said he wants to do maybe a space after this, so maybe we'll do that.
Okay.
All right, guys, we'll see you guys in a bit. And if anyone wants to join and ask us questions, there's a YouTube link right up in the below on the dashboard. Make sure to click on that. Come by, ask us questions at Pro Trader Mike's YouTube show right now. Thank you.
Yeah,
See
I'm
you soon.
checking that out right now.
Cool. So you see that Moderna on the screen right there. You want to see some sweet ass Moderna? Look at this, bro.
Yeah, I thought that wouldn't work, so we tried though. We tried. We gave it an attempt.
Yeah.
All right,
But
were
if
we
people
looking at
join,
Moderna?
you know, people are able to, yeah, join the link. Let me look at the mRNA. mRNA. There's my pick. And there's my sell. Okay. So this was my sell at 94. Here's my pick on 4-3 of I picked this out of that Market Smith database that I showed you. Remember that Market Smith database?
Yeah.
Look, it has a 99 relative strength. That's so out of the database of 8,000 stocks, it's stronger than 99% of the stocks in the entire database. That's what that means.
Wait, say that again.
Out of the 8,700 stocks in the database,
Yeah.
it's a 99 relative strength, meaning it's
Okay.
stronger. It's in the top 1% of every stock in the database at this current moment. Okay, it's when it's down, you'll see other ones. When it was down here, it was a 30 relative strength. Now it's a 99, strongest you can get. It has increased earnings estimates for 2 years. So for 2020 and to 2000, and they're estimating an increase. But I didn't pick it for that. I picked it to go over this double top right here. And here's my pick on it. I said Moderna Biomed Industry on April 5th of 2020 at 34.84, the second phase of clinical trials of the COVID vaccine of Moderna, looking for the move to 50 plus, then higher. Float bang, funds 41, risking 2 to make 20 bucks. And here's the news on it right here, how it happened from the National Institute of Health. And I picked that one right there, had that characteristics, and pretty much in the same sort of newsletter right there, I picked this one at 485. See this one? Same thing. 11/29 of 2019 at this stock's 150 right now. You know that, right?
It's like 200 or something.
Yeah, 200. So look, one way up through, what did I say? Heinz 5, right? NVAX, Heinz trade play. Once above, hold forever because the sky's the limit. I still have people in that stock. Amazing. Isn't the Ken Slim system amazing? And look how I'm adding up through Heinz. Look, starting at 485 to 90, add 2 times 90 to 95, and then 96 to 5. So you're adding higher as you're going up. As I've been preaching you for days and weeks now, you could see it done back here in 2019 the same way. Nothing has changed for years with this system. Everything's the Heinz. Yep, it's amazing, bro. Really is cool. So those were my 2 picks.
You have like, is this recording or is this your actual trading platform right now?
Oh, this is my Dosh Trader platform right now, live. But it's
someone was
markets are
asking me
closed.
about this today.
About
This
what?
is what DAS looks like. About DAS Trader.
Yeah, the Dosh Trader, correct. Yes, this is the Dosh, and these are my hotkeys. So if you want to see right here, let me show you the chatty chat, if you don't mind. There's my screen. So let me show you the chat room. So right here is my chat room. That's our message. So if we scroll back here, let me show you what I did from this morning, okay? So I came in right here this morning. I've been sending out this NFT. It's my learning board from my MOJO University 4 years ago. I did these cute little boards, and that's how I would teach. I'd say, this is the morning routine. We're going to scan for volume, float, and price, and yada, yada, yada. So I send out that, and here's the Heinz every day. All we do is the Heinz, bro. So if you didn't trade all day and you stopped and did what I did in the morning, didn't have to like do a show to show people you trade all day to make. I don't know why people would do that. I've never could trade all day long. I always give back everything I make 9 out of 10 times. How do I know that? I've journaled, Mike, you stupid ass. You gave it back again because you were up and you didn't stop. You know, how many
Yeah, but
times
the
am I
thing is, like, people are like, there for a day trading show. They're looking for trades, so we have to, like,
I know. I
provide them
know.
trades and stuff. So it's
I
just the
understand.
nature of the show.
You could do
But yeah,
Heinz's
I
all
do want
day.
to
I
learn more
understand.
about the setup, though.
But
Like,
as
I
a
do want to learn
business for
more.
a single person,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
difficult to trade all day long where
yeah.
you can do 3 sharp shot trades. How many
No,
times
I
can you
could,
go up? Okay. So
I
this
could
one
for sure,
right
like, I
here.
for sure want to, like, I would love to learn this. There's no doubt. So,
So
like,
this
if
one
you want
right
to
here
keep going,
came up on
don't
my
stop at all.
radar,
Yeah,
NRXP right here, to go through $10. See this one? And the other
yeah.
biggest bar was through $9. The other biggest bar was through $8. So you see the biggest bars on the chart are always through the even numbers. And if you buy right under, look how high they went through. So I bought through this bar right here, and you could see it went 10 through 10 to 1042 to 1055. I traded the futures right there simultaneously and made 1200 on the NASDAQ NQ futures. So I'm done futures trading for the day. I've made 1200, closed down. Now I'm finishing up that trade and I'm going into a futures trade. So the NASDAQ is going to go lower in 30 seconds. As that stock goes and squeezes that 628 into the 29, when that happens, a red bar will go down on the NASDAQ futures. And when that happens, if you do 1 lot, you're up 100. 2 lots, you're up 200. 3 lots, you're up over $300 if that moves from 628 to 629. Okay? Watch.
Yeah.
Watch.
Like scalping in pennies. I get that.
But it's $300. All it has to do is move from here to there. Watch. Now they do a cross market. He comes over, boom. So we're in the trade and it goes 620. Now you're up $350. Take the profit. On 1 or 2 of hold 1 lot. If it reverses, you're out. And that's the trade right there, dude. Look, it's going 629 into 630. This is coming up. You're up 400 right now. And trade's over. That's it. And then I did the MOJO show and it came back down because look, it went from 629 all the way back down. And I said, wait, see the X? It's going to go to 625. See my circle? So if it goes lower, the NASDAQ is going to go higher. Watch. 626. They're squeezing it down. Once it touches 25, it's going to reverse and go the other way. And there it is, went to 25. So I just called the move down and the move up 30 seconds to a minute before it happened by watching the level 2, just like I told you on the show. And it's a sure shot system. I don't have to look at the chart because it's already made its move on the chart when I'm taking my profit. You know what I'm saying? And that's the beauty of the NASDAQ futures, man. That's the beauty of the future. So we traded some other ones. This guy made 28.50 on the futures. That's it. We're done for the day. Every day by 10 o'clock. And that's it, brother. So that's my business. And then I'm free for the rest of the day. It's a great business, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean, for sure. I can't imagine being anywhere else. That's without a doubt. I just love this job way too much.
I love it, dude. I love it. So what do you want to look at?
Um, you tell me, man. I'm your guest. I'm just here to
No, we
to
got
do
7 people. Let's see if they want to see
nice.
anything. Hey, what's up, Mac?
Let's
Let me go
see
to my
your
main
NFT
screen.
collections while we get some questions going.
Yeah. So we got this guy. Hey, Mac Attack. What's going
Hey,
on? Any
Mac.
questions you got? Dude, I just got some new NFTs tonight. I got one right here, bro, for $4,000. I picked one up. Check this one out. This is a sick one.
$4,000. My
Two of
God.
them. I got 2 of them. I think this one could be like the next Venom and stuff. So I got a couple. I have 148 NFTs now. Let me show you the one I'm doing. This Snoop Dogg is the coolest, dude. And I got
You
an
own it?
offer. Yeah, I own it. I got an offer for 904% above what he's listed at. I could sell him at, but I don't want to. I could sell him for 0.02. I could sell him for 1,000% above, but I won't. He's going to go higher and higher and higher. Calvin Brodus Jr. My goal in NFTs is how I see it. Snoop Dogg is Babe Ruth, the first baseball player to set records and make a name for himself in the space. That's Snoop Dogg, dude. He's the Babe Ruth now of NFT. So I want to do a search on OpenSea and I want to buy a lot of Snoop Dogg NFTs, bro. I think he's going to be a banger. I own one of those
Why
Snoop
is
Dogg.
he the guy who set records?
Because what happened was this article, let me show you, comes out, right? Look at this article, bro. Very interesting. Did Snoop Dogg buy $17 million worth of art in one night on OpenSea? Everyone was freaking out, dude. What happened was a month ago, a new Twitter profile was created under Cosimo de Medici, apparent reference to the Renaissance era patriarch. Excuse me. Almost overnight, he bought CryptoPunks and art blocks worth $17 million, and Twitter went crazy. Who is this person? The myth grew quickly online as people wondered about Cosmo's identity. So they made an announcement. Since I announced my events and blah, 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 speculators on September 20th announced a contest to reveal who was behind the account. A celebrity anonymous figure explained they would claim it on Twitter, and the first person to spot the tweet would get 1 Ethereum and $3,000. Later that day, Cosmo Snoop Dogg came on and said, I am Cosmo de Medici. So if you go to the $17 million collection, it's right here. This is Cosmo here, and this is Cosmo here. So I follow him on Twitter, and I've
So that's just
messaged
Snoop
him
Dogg's
before. Yep,
account.
this is Snoop Dogg right here. Okay, this is his second account. Okay, because they all have second accounts. So this is Snoopy. That's my Snoop, and this is his account right here. Look at how much he mints. All he does is mint, 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 mint. He buys the whole freaking
So what does
collection.
minting a NFT mean?
Minting is going to it when it's new and buying it before it comes out on the market. And
So
he
it's not like you're
buys.
putting like a GPU to like mint you the NFT. You're
No, he's
buying it with
buying it.
money.
He's buying it
Okay.
with money, and he's buying a shitload of them. He sits there for hours and mints and mints and mints. Look, mint, mint, mint. People transfer him a lot of stuff. But when you go to
Can you
his mint,
filter it for just mint then?
let me see.
Are
Because
you
he
able
mints
to?
a collection. I shouldn't have it on a feed. Here, mint. Look, mint, 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 mint. He's just minting. Look, mint, mint, mint. This is mint. So
Now,
if
is
you
he
go to
minting
this,
anything good or just like
yeah, it's
trash?
really good. So what happened was
Trash.
he already trashed me, dude. He freaking burned me already. So I thought this was like following Warren Buffett and Peter Lynch. So what I do is like a month ago, he's minting this one called Crypto Killers. So let me, besides the Crypto Punks Art Club, and let me just see if he's got a couple of Crypto Killers. He just mints everything. I think he does the whole collection. So he does this one, and I go to it, and I pay like $150 or $200 with the gas fee. I pay like $350, and I'm like, okay, he's gonna do something with it. I wound up selling it for $40. I'm like, you're a dog, Snoop. It never did nothing, but he was minting a lot of them. So what happens is like you go to this and you like see what it is. He's doing a lot of these Cybermint Gold. So you go to their website, and he's minting these right now there's 1,000 left. He's minting them at 0.08 ETH. So if I wanted to mint this, I press mint. I have to connect my MetaMask wallet. So I have to connect.
How much is that? How much is 08 Ether?
08 times $4,500. So it's 0.08 times 4,500. It's 360, and he's probably done 300 of them probably in the last hour and spent $100 grand just collecting these. Because out of the 1,000 he'll get, or the whatever, he'll get a couple of really rare ones that'll be worth $100 grand. You know, that's what you do when you're buying like the whole set of baseball cards. You're getting the Mickey Mantle, the Pete Rose, all the good ones in the whole set, dude. You know,
that's insane.
As a collector. So you connect your wallet right here, and then it says
need to make an OpenSea account and make a MetaMask account and all that.
And so it says, look, connect MetaMask, and you click next. So it's going to connect MetaMask to that Cybermint account. You click connect. It's connecting, and now I'm connected with my wallet address here. If I press mint coins, my MetaMask will come up. It'll show me that look, the gas fee is $16,000 in gas fees. So you would be like, holy shit, I can't do that, dude. Are you fucking out of your mind? Look, just the gas is 3.62 Ethereum just to buy something for freaking $300.
So what is that gas? That's like the transaction fee?
That's the transaction fee.
Okay.
So you would never, like in stocks, buy a stock for like $1 and need it to go to $500 to break even. That's like, if you bought that for, now it's $14,000.
Why the fuck are you buying so much then? Why
did
you spend $4K?
You don't. What it means is I don't have enough Ethereum in my wallet to cover the transaction. That's why it's showing me that. If I put $500 of Ether in my wallet, the gas fee would go to $98 or $100. So if you come here to like the gas estimator, let me show you right here what this looks like right here. So if you come right to this shows you it's at $95, the average block fee right now for Ethereum. So depending upon how you refresh, and that's not that bad right now. So both of my ones that I've made 10x on, I've paid, a $45 one, I paid $100 in a gas fee, but I sold it for $800. And the other one I did that for, I sold for $4,500. You want to see?
Yeah.
Let me show you how I did that. So this one I sold yesterday for $732. I bought them for $43. Let me see if anyone has any questions.
Bought them for $43. Holy shit.
How does the gas fee? Who gets the gas fee? Ethereum does. It's to keep. What happens is when you buy something on Apple, okay, Apple takes 30% transaction fee. That's to support Apple and their network. When you buy something on Ethereum in the blockchain, you pay the miner fee, and that's to support the network. Okay, and that's how that works. So everyone's holding hands in a circle, and it gets stronger and stronger. That's how it works. So what happened was I bought this one right here. Scroll down. So I bought him for $43. Billionaire zombie. Go back to him.
How much are you gonna flip him for?
I sold him $732. I made 1,800%. First, I listed him for $461,000. That's how I sold him for that much. It was a trick. Like the guy does in the market when he puts out the institutional order. Remember he was saying that in your spaces yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, same thing. So what happens is you come here to this guy, and I bought him, you could see right here on the blockchain, 24 days ago at 3:29 a.m. I bought him from Chiari for 0.01 Ethereum. At 4,000 Ethereum is $40. Follow? I sold him for 0.165 2 days ago. That's a 1,600% return.
You're hacking the system over here.
Okay, so what I did was, and you could see this is the offer right now on him is I could buy him back cheaper than I sold him for because I did the trick. I tricked the person. Okay, watch what I did. So I went here and I listed him for $461,000 3 days ago. And I had no intention. Yeah, if he was turned into a bored ape overnight, yeah, great. Someone's buying him for that much. But that was not my intention. So what happened was I waited, and then at the end of the day, I don't know how this. I lowered him to $44,000. No, I lowered him to 8,000. I listed
8,000.
him for 44 grand. I bought him for $20. I listed him for 44,000. Another trick. I sold him. I listed him for 133, which I have him for right now. I sold him. But watch what I did with him. I went from 2 Ethereum, 8,800 in 3 days. And then 2 days ago, I canceled it. I relisted him for 0.24, 1,064. Then I canceled him and relisted them for the floor price. The floor price was 0.18. So I listed them for 0.179. The lowest one in the whole collection. So when you went to the collection, you saw him there. And it was going up like tremendously. I'll show you. So then I cancel it because someone undercuts me at 175. I'm like, you mother effer, right? So I can't.
How do they undercut you? Don't you have the only 3124 of the zombie?
He's selling one also. So
how is he selling a 3124?
No, he's selling another one. There's 10,000 in the collection. I'll show you the collection.
Okay,
so he's taking his baseball card and freaking undercutting me with his, and I'm like, you bastard! I'm gonna go to 165. So as soon as I go to 165, boom, it sells a minute later. Because the guy who saw me at 165, who saw me here, and he saw me here at $500,000. So he's like, dude, if I pick it up here at freaking, $700, I'll sell it for $2,000. And I tricked him. And now look, if you go to the collection, look, there's 10,000 in the collection right here. I thought it would be like the Bored Apes. So there's 10,000 right here. The lowest floor price is 0.18. It's back to 0.18. Strong, dude. It's freaking strong, bro. Look, it's up at a high. See? I sold right on that dip right there, bro. It went right back up. I could have held.
So when you mint an NFT, do you just get a random one out of the collection?
You get a random one. So let me show you what happened and how I made my first $4,000 on a random one that I got lucky on. Okay, I'm going to show it to you in my NFT course because I'm teaching it. Rather than going to the thing, I'm going to show you in my NFT course because I made a slide on it, okay?
Hold up. So someone's asking you in the chat, how do you determine what's a good NFT to buy?
I'll show you. So let me scroll down here. This was my first NFT, this mods right here with the squarely head. Okay. And
1,000% winner in 2 weeks.
yeah, dude. See, I thought it was gonna be like the Bored Apes. Let me show you.
You bought it at $1 and you sold it for
No, that's the Bored
4?
Apes. Watch. This is the
Oh.
Bored Apes. So let me just show you right here. Oh, that was Ethereum. Let me go to this slide. This was the Bored Apes.
That's
Hold on.
ridiculous.
Hold on a second. So if I come here, and guys, you know, this is for educational purposes only. This is my class I'm going to be teaching. I have 155 slides. What's Bitcoin? Here we go. This is Ethereum. I want to go to the Bored Apes. Here it is. So the Bored Apes, where is it? Here it is. It's slide 13. From current slide. How come it's not doing that? There it is.
Man, is it cold in Canada?
Okay.
Oh.
So look, Bored Ape Yacht Club. This came out in May at 0.08 ETH, the same as what Snoop was just minting that other one at, right? And it skyrocketed to 52 ETH. It's
Why?
the highest one because Jimmy Fallon bought it, Stephen Curry bought it, a lot of celebrities bought it, okay? And it went to 52, turned it into 220,000. Now, do you know how much Jimmy Fallon paid for his Bored Ape?
How much?
$611,000. It's worth 200. He's down 400 grand. I went into his wallet today with my friend and I found it.
Why? So why did he pay that much for it at the top?
Because he's a freaking idiot, dude. He saw the Bored Apes. He's like, I want one. I got millions of dollars and I'm going to do it. I'm Jimmy Fallon, bro.
But
That's who I am.
honestly, I think that's more. It's more of a reason for it. He probably has money in crypto, and that's his way to save himself from paying taxes.
Could be. Could be. So
He
this
just
is
saved
my
600 grand on taxes on crypto right there, in my opinion at least. But yeah, go ahead, sorry.
no problem. And I'll show you another day how I found his wallet. You can find anyone's wallet.
Yeah, I've seen it before.
You've seen what?
Like people pulling up other people's wallets. Cause I watched this guy named CoffeeZilla on YouTube. He basically catches people who are like, you know,
Dude,
fake day
he's an
traders
idiot,
or whatever.
whatever. He trashes people to give himself a good name. I don't like those kind of people that get a good name on other people's kind of like misfortune. It's like bad karma. Anyway,
No, but
look at this.
he's only calling out like the scammers though. That's the good thing. I haven't seen him call out like other people who who at least I don't think have.
Dude, these are the best cookies, bro. These are
What
the
are
best.
they?
Little jelly cookies with the jelly in the middle and stuff. You get them from Publix.
Oh,
So
I gotta
good,
get them.
dude. Yeah, they're so good. So you go to this
Publix.
ENS, right? Let's
Yeah.
let's say like you know, give me like a good celebrity, like any really like how about like Jimmy Fallon. That's who I wanted to show you. So we go right here to Jimmy.
Jimmy.eth.
No, just Jimmy Fallon, right? So that's Jimmy.eth. So if I wanted to, I could send Jimmy Fallon an NFT. I could
Right.
send him money. I just click here and I can go to his address. Okay, this is his address. And I could see everything that he's purchased. I could just take his address. I can go into Etherscan, right? I can go into here. I can bang in his hashtag. I can go here and now I can see every single thing he did. And here's his Bored Ape right here that he bought for 215 Ethereum. He bought where was that? 579 days ago. He bought, where's the price?
That's
it
insane.
was, yeah, it was right here. Where is it? That was Ether's price, but there's
Does it
another
show
one
which
that
one
shows,
you got?
yeah, it shows like well, I have that right here. This is the one he has right here. He has that guy.
Oh, he has the one that's supposed to look like him or something. Like, what is that?
I don't know. It's just the one he has, man.
Uh,
That's the one he has. These are the crypto punks, dude. These crypto punks sell for
I've
three
seen
hundred
these
and
before.
$88,000 each. This one
Yeah, I've
sells
seen
for
the Twitter profiles like these.
593, 1.1 million, 625, 388. Hot largest sales right here, 4.2. This one's 7.5 million, 7.57 million.
Is that sold?
Yeah, sold. The largest sales.
Like $7.5 million.
Yep, the largest on March 11th. And the same guy on March 11th bought another one for 7.57 million. Sick, dude. So let me show you the one I did right here. This was the mods. So I got this mods. Okay, you see his head, how it's like a globe. See his head?
Yeah.
It's the body is called eternal. 1% of the entire collection has that trait. He, with the hat, had that trait. So he was selling for 50 Ethereum. And mine was better than his. So I said, because look, here's his traits. He had 8%, 17%, 2%, 1%, and 0.9%. I had, he had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 properties, this one in the green. This guy had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 properties. So did I, but I beat him. He was worth 100 Ethereum. So I listed it for 125 Ethereum, bigger than him. So I went above him. Like the other guy went below me, I went above him. And I listed him right there for $500,000. And then I lowered him to 1 Ethereum the next day from $500,000 to 50,000 to 2 Ethereum to 1 Ethereum, and he bought him within 2 weeks. And that's the trick, man. I set
Do you
the
own any
ceiling.
of those other NFTs, which are like what do you call it? Have you heard about those socks NFTs where you have to own this NFT to redeem the sock, and then those NFTs are like selling for so much right now, and it's basically for one pair of sock you're paying like thousands of dollars because of that NFT.
Socks?
Yeah, I think it's that one. Yeah.
No floor
Yeah,
plan.
this one's pretty crazy. Look at this one.
Mm-mm. It's new. See, everyone's the same, so it hasn't been revealed yet.
No. So the point is, you
So if you
gotta
go to the
have that
website-
NFT. No, you gotta have that NFT to actually redeem that sock. So if you want to redeem that sock, you have to have the NFT
This is worth 113,000 US dollars
for one pair of sock,
for one pair of socks.
and you can only buy them by having that NFT.
Unisocks. There's been 198 redeemed.
Yeah, I'm telling you, like this is wild.
19 out of 300 available. What are they socks unlock?
Fucking jack all, dude. You spend that money to buy this NFT, and then you fucking redeem that sock.
But it gives you other perks. The socks a
No,
utility.
it don't give you shit.
Yeah, it is.
Doesn't
It's a
give
utility.
you shit.
No,
it's a fucking
utility. No,
jerk
it's
off
not
sock.
here.
You come in it.
It's a
doesn't
token
do
that
shit.
entitles you to one real pair of limited edition socks shipped anywhere in the world. You can sell back the token to get a real pair, redeem it socks. For more information, contact Uniswap.
For one real pair of sock, my friend. You're not believing me,
dude,
are
they're
you?
buying
You're in
them.
shock.
Look, $88,000. Yeah, dude. Look, they
You're
are.
in shock. You're losing your mind right now.
I'm losing my fucking mind.
It's for
So it
literally for redeeming a sock. That's it.
It's crazy, dude. Dude, I want to get it. We should be promoting him. We should be getting a sock right now.
Dude, it's absolutely nuts when I heard about this. I'm like, this is insane. Like,
Dude, that's
I should be
insane.
doing something like this. I should be making like merch, and then only if you have that NFT you can redeem the merch.
Yeah, that's what bands are going to be doing, dude. And
Yeah.
bands in the new realm. Yeah, absolutely. Let me show you the some more good
Not
ones
only are
right
you
here.
making money off of the, I guess you're only making money every time the NFT is getting resold, right?
Yep, that's Beeple.
Yeah.
This
You
is
make
Gary
what, 10%
V.
every time this gets resold?
5 to 8.5%.
5 to
Yeah.
8, okay.
Yeah. So here's Gennady. So here you have Beeple. This is the guy that did that original collect. He has 3,000 NFTs. His largest, highest sale has been, let's see what he's been selling. 45 Ethereum. He sold this right here, this moving little feather. And he's selling this guy picking his nose for 10 Ethereum. He's selling this for 5 Ethereum. He has this golden ticket. He's selling for 0.5. He has a couple of mystery boxes. But let's see his activity. Let's see what he's doing. See what he's minting.
Is that
He's
what you do?
minting
You just
this.
go
Yeah,
by.
he's doing the same as freaking Snoop, dude. They're
So you
minting
just
the
go
same.
look at what they're minting and then you just mint the same?
Yep, dude, they're minting the same. Him and Snoop. I'm gonna go to Gary V's. He's gonna be minting them coins.
So wait,
freaking too.
how come that it says minted 3488, minted 3488? He got the same fucking one again and again?
Let's take a look. Yeah, 3-4. They're all number 3488, I guess. Yeah.
So he just minted the same number a
No,
million
they're
times.
all a
What's the
different
point of
one.
that?
They're all a different one. He got this one, this one, this one. They're
They're all
all
3488.
Yeah, but he's getting them all. It doesn't matter. That's just the number on the coin. But they're all individual coins. You can see there's 2,000 of them so far, and 1,000 people own them so far. And these Gary V's doing them right there, dude. Let's see if Gary V's buying them too. Nope, he's doing the Crypto Art Punks Club. And that's Sketches, the other ones that Snoop was doing. So he's not doing those coins yet. But that one is. Let's see what Gennady's doing. This guy owns 3,000. He's a big guy too. So he's minting the Sketches also. So Snoop Dogg, Gary V, Beeple, and Gennady are all doing these forgotten sketches.
So you're just like fucking following Warren Buffett's of NFTs and praying that the price goes up?
Yeah, because if they're buying a whole shitload of this one's 0.6 Ether for doodles. Actually, the low is 0.12. So to mint this is $500. So they're minting it like freaking crazy. These doodles, sketches, which is a sketch of a big collection called the Doodles. And I have one like that. I have in mine the Bored Apes are huge. I have the Sketchy Ape book. These haven't gone yet. So what you do is you refresh metadata. Maybe they've done it yet and refresh the page. Mine may be revealed. I may have the rarest one, another Bored Ape. I don't know yet. But I have two of them I got in the mint.
Show me Wall Street Bulls.
So I got 2 of those in the mint. I'm waiting for those to be revealed. I'm waiting for these to be revealed too. I have these eggs. So a goose is going to pop out of that egg and a penguin is going to pop out of that egg, dude. But I don't know what they are yet.
What the fuck? When the fuck do they pop?
When they're done with the mint on that site, when they're done minting, then they get revealed. Like the guys with the coins. Sick. Like he's getting all those coins right now, like right here. Gary, he's getting these. He doesn't know what the coin is after the whole thing's bought. Yeah. So once it reaches 1,000.
Show me the Wall Street Bulls.
Okay.
How much have they gone up?
It's called Mouse. Right here. Monsters on Wall Street. It's called. These are the monsters.
No, this is not it. This is not it. The Wall Street Bulls. Bulls.
Well, I like them. Yeah, they have cool. They're on rockets.
Yeah. I want to see how much they went up.
They have right here. But to see all the sites that are fake, look. You see that? Look. They're all fake. Look. Wall Street Bulls. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 fake sites.
So which one is the real?
They're all fake because they only have 20 items. They're all fake.
So how do you see the real one then? What
I
the
don't
fuck?
know. Let's find out.
I can get you the link. Hold up.
So this one's fake because it has no Twitter, no Facebook, and no website. But let's see if they have activity. Someone bought one, like a sucker. Look, someone just got robbed 9 days ago. Bought that sucker fake. Sucker. That's why you got to do your research. Here's another one, Wall
Here,
Street Bulls.
I found it.
Fake.
Can I put it in this chat somewhere?
Yeah, you can put it in that
put it-
private chat down there on
Yeah.
the bottom. There you go. Yeah, this is them. Wall. There's no street. It's ST. That's their problem.
Yeah.
They're losing a lot of business because they don't have that street on there.
Nah, it's fine though. They have a lot of people on Twitter. Like, how big is their Twitter right now? Let's see. They have
Look what the
7K
average
Twitter.
person just did.
They have like 100,000 people on
those people,
100,000 on Twitter.
Okay. 3% of the entire population is involved in crypto. You know how much of the population is involved in NFTs?
What?
Me and you just went to the wrong site. We're 97% of the population. The 3% they already have here, bro.
Yeah.
It's an issue. I would be like complaining to these guys all day long to remove these, dude, if I was the Wall Street Bulls.
Right. The floor price is what 0.17, so pretty much where your other thing was, right?
Yeah,
like
1.18.
0.18. Yeah.
So let's see what the activity
What was
is.
the volume
they did a
traded on
spike.
your other one?
This has no volume, really. You can see the lines. Yeah, I like it in the beginning it traded when it first came out.
I can't really see much.
Could you see now?
Yeah,
Right here?
you're typing. I see now.
This is where it started. It made a spike right here on November 22nd, the highest
that's why, because I'm
sale.
watching on YouTube. I was like, why is it so laggy? All right,
Yeah.
sorry.
And that's the highest sale right there. What crypto am I bullish on? You like Phantom? I bet Fallon got paid by the Bored Apes to keep it high. Probably, yeah. He's saying, yeah. No, he's not like that probably. No, he just probably bought a boy. He don't give a shit.
Yeah.
He don't give a shit. He just wants to have it, dude.
Just material to talk about on the show.
It's worth for him to show it and talk about it and do it. It's worth, as an asset to the show. It's probably a write-off for him for the show.
Yeah, and then if he ends up selling it, he gets to talk about it again in the future.
And that thing I looked at said Ether. That could have been the gas he paid for it, and he could have gotten transferred to him. They could have given it to him for free just to hold that sucker and be Jimmy Fallon, dude.
Mm-hmm.
That's what Mojo does, dude. I'm getting some of these for free by talking about the ones I like. Why should I go out and pay for it? I'll go talk about you and show everybody. You give it to me for free, and I'll tell everybody I'm getting a paid promotion. Thank you. Why wouldn't I?
Mm-hmm.
They didn't sit there for freaking 5 years on Twitter following everyone and chatting and building up their thing like a beast. I did. So now that my time and effort for all that time on my couch, and my wife's like, dude, what the freak are you doing? And how come you're at the beach following? How come you're here following people? What are you doing? Well, I'm doing it for a reason, because I'm building up my shizzle. Now I'm
grinded.
Now I grinded. Now I got reward from it. I built like a beast every day for 10 years, bro.
But I like to hear, dude. I'm in that grind myself right now.
I know. So look at this. I know you like. Nice. So yeah, that's what happened with that one. And let me show you this new one I just got today, dude. You're gonna love this one, dude. I think they could make a movie with Flash and Venom with this character. Look, I got another mods I'm selling right there for 1,000. Bought him for a hundo. Come on, where's my Flash? Got the crypto beer I'm selling for 8 Ethereum. That's a real beer that's coming out. You can get them a real lager, dude. And this is
So
one
like
of
the fucking sock.
like the sock. But this guy's rare because he's the BTC with the mustache. Not many in the collection are like that. So I bought like a 6-pack, and Mojo got lucky. I got a 6-pack of beers, and I got a BTC. These are my own. So years ago, back in 2015 and 16, after the trading was done, I would draw on the chart what happened for the day. Like Twitter, we bought it here and it went all the way down and it fucked me. So I said, Twitter says F you, bam. And that was in October 10th of 2016. I made that NFT before anybody knew what NFTs were. Okay. And I have like 100 of these. And they're amazing. I have some people that liked, favorited a couple of these, but they're really cool. And I used to do one every single day, and I have my own collection. I've minted every one of these. They're all for sale for 0.05 Ethereum. Pretty cool. So you go through and I'm going to show you how to mint one too. So where is my my dude? He's like these guys. I have some Bohemian Bull. Where's my guy, dude? My Flash. Here he is. Look at him, dude. He's worth 4,443. I own 2 of them. I bought that sucker. Look at this guy. Venom with the Flash, dude.
So he's not done the minting process yet?
Yeah, this one's done. This is a collection
okay.
called Crypto Hero. This is his
Damn.
collection. Yep. He's got one for 10 Ethereum in here. This is a pretty sweet ass collection, like the Venom kind of like look. You know what I'm saying? Look, this Squid Game one is pretty cool too. Look at that one, dude. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, Venom and Squid Game. Wow.
It's a couple of cool ones. He's got like this one. Mutant is worth $4,000. This Mutant Ninja Turtle one. Good artist. It's all like you could tell it's like it's hand sketched.
Right.
This Joker right here is 10 Ethereum, $44,000 on that Joker right there. So yeah, it's a valuable collection. The Crypto Hero. So this guy's a famous artist. A lot of likes. So I got some of those. I'm going to be watching that and covering. This guy's coming out with a website, a roadmap, the whole 9 yards. I mean, it's going to be big. Going to be big. So I like that, and I'll cover more of him. Try to do a giveaway of one of these or 2 of these on my show for sure. For sure. I'm giving away right now, dude, this can of comics. This is a pretty cool one because they're building something in the metaverse. Right here, this can of comics. I already got 63 likes on it, dude. So people that don't think Mojo's got no power, this is a pretty good one, bro. This is a comic book with like famous celebrity kind of like Snoop Dogg, Mike Tyson, Wiz Khalifa, Rihanna. It's going to be a nice comic book, like a land in the metaverse, like a cannabis land. And you'll be able to like have your NFT and use that character in the metaverse to hang out and like chill. You know what I'm saying? All kinds of stuff. Yeah. Profile pictures of stuff in the metaverse. That's what PFP means, profile picture, short for profile picture, PFP. You see that all the time on Twitter. You know what I'm saying? When NFTs, PFP stands for profile picture.
Right.
So what else you want to learn? You learned a lot about NFTs tonight, bro.
Yeah, quite a bit. I just need to make an account at this point.
Yeah, make an account and I'll transfer you an NFT now. Okay?
No, you're good. You're good. You don't need to waste your money like that.
I'm transferring
gonna.
you my NFT, bro. I'm gonna go in right here. You're gonna go into MetaMask on. You can make an account. I'm gonna transfer you this guy right here. I have 25 of them, so I have like 3 of her. Let me show you him. I got 20. I bought him to trade. Look, I have how many left? I have 12 left of him. He's cool as shit. Let me transfer you one of him.
I gotta make an account right now.
Yeah. You make an account. I transfer you one of him. I've transferred 13 of these to other people already. This is a good crypto freaks. I bought this collection when the guy had 4. And he's got some really cool ones, dude. I like this guy's collection. I maybe send you 2 from here. The crypto freak. This is a really cool collection. I like ones that move and are like flashy like this. One that I have is this guy, like Bizarro, the Superman guy. See, they start out at $1. He's $44 now. So he's up from $1 to 44. Crypto free. See how he's gone up in price? So the one I
Let me
give
see.
you will
Hold
do
up.
the same thing. Look at that chart. Beautiful. I don't sell him. He's the crypto freak. There's
NFTs
only
are
10 of him.
super niche. It's hard to find winners, says one of your viewers.
Oh, let me. Well, we got a question. Wonderful. What does he say? NFTs is a super niche. It's hard to find winners. Not really when you know what you're looking for. You want me to show you how to find a couple of winners? I can show you. My course next week. Many tricks. Want me to show you one of them? You want to see one trick of my course? And here's my course page. So when you want to sign up, it's /NFTs. Here's the page. Right here, it's $3,000 package for $497. You're gonna get my NFT live course, my coaching. You know how many questions you're gonna have setting up your wallet, this, that. You're gonna get $16,000 gas fee. You're gonna contact me and say, "Holy shit, Mojo, I got a $16,000 gas fee. What do I do?" I'm like, "Dude, you got to put in another $50 in your wallet and watch it go down." So my coaching is vital. I do 2 months of my crypto newsletter, my Mojo toolbox. I've got 3 coin picks that are phenomenal, 10x to 50x in my opinion. And I got the Mojo chat room for 2 months for $497, bro. All that holiday package, bro. Oh, Pratty got one?
I think that's what I give you, right? How do I
Yep.
change my name?
You go into OpenSea and open an account?
Yeah.
Okay. So you went into OpenSea.
Profile?
Yeah, you go into change your stuff in the profile. So I'm going to come over here, Brad. I'm going to go into my profile. I'm going to slam down to that crypto freak right here. I'm going to click on him. I'm going to come over here to see this thing in the middle that says transfer. See that?
Yeah.
Click. I'm going to go 1. I'm going to put in your address. I'm going to click transfer. Watch my thing. You ready? I click transfer. A thing comes up on my phone that I have to confirm it on the blockchain and then transfer it to you. Watch.
I'll have to confirm it too then?
No.
How do I get the transfer thing on my phone?
Look.
For future safe.
See?
So it's like 2FA, right? Basically, got it.
Done. I just transferred it to you. So if you wait till it processes.
Thank you, sir.
Wait till now it's complete. Now refresh your page on OpenSea. You see it?
I just go to my profile.
Yep.
It's
Go to your
hidden. Yeah, I
profile.
see.
You see that?
That's
It's
fairly
there?
quick too. It's not any delay in it or anything.
No, real fast, real cool, right? So that's that. You got that one. Let me hook you up. Maybe I give you another one right here. Let's see what else I got.
No,
for
you're
you.
good. You're good. You're good, Mike. Don't
Dude, I got
waste your
so
money, my
many.
friend.
So what happens
You'd
is,
rather give that as a giveaway for people and
got-
grow your base, you know?
I got it, dude. It's all good. It's all good. So yeah, bro, I got my favorites and stuff. I got a couple of really cool, and you know what I like? I like the scary neighbor. I think this one is cool. Isn't she cool looking, dude? It's like your scary, ugly neighbor and shit. And the whole collection is like weird. Look how she's gone up in price. I've been watching her in the last couple of days. I like her at 0.003, very cheap. But look, it's a
Yeah,
cool
are
little.
you just like following other big money NFT buyers then for to
No, I
find out
find
what's gonna be
no,
popping?
nope. See how I found this one that popped? I have a trick. You want to see one of? I teach it in my course. I don't want to give away all my secrets before the course, but I'll show
Fair,
you
yeah,
one.
yeah, fair,
But I'll
fair.
show
No,
you
you're good,
one
you're
of
good,
them.
you're good.
You
You're
come
good,
up
you're
here
good.
into like stats and rankings right here, and you have to go within the rankings page and see how you could sort by volume and all this stuff. So I have a couple of secrets because I've been scanning stocks and doing this with stocks for so
Yeah.
long. I've picked up so many tricks. I know how to do it with I've got some amazing moves that I can
What do
pick
you
out winners in here by
what do
using
you
some of the
think
same
about like
techniques.
all these kids in the Twitter spaces talking about NFTs? Like you think their NFTs are gonna be something to look for? Like something I've seen, I think I've been in some calls called Bud Buddies or something. Let's
Mhm.
see what Bud Buddies is doing. Bud
Bud buddies.
Buddies.
Let me check them
Yeah,
out.
there's like two of them.
Bud
Bud
buddies.
Buddies official or just Bud Buddies?
Oh, bud like marijuana bud.
Yeah,
Bud buddies. Here it is.
yeah, I see it.
No, that's not it. But I saw them on Twitter.
I've seen them on Twitter calls and stuff.
Let me check them out.
Twitter Spaces, sorry.
Bud buddies.
I'm looking at them right now.
You can get there usually from their, here it is, Bud Buddies NFT. Oh, they're on Spaces now.
Oh,
Here,
they are.
Bud
Yeah,
Buddy,
they're always on the space.
Bud Buddies IO. Oh, nice website. It's kind of like Canna Comics. Here's Canna Comics as a compare. See, Canna Comics is kind of like similar to Bud Buddies. See, isn't that similar, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's kind of similar. Let me put it up us underneath. Kind of similar. Canna Comics, Bud Buddies,
It could just be
Mint,
like the
Mint the
template,
Bud
you know?
Buddy, Mint the Bud Buddy, 0.04 Ethereum, gas fee 17,000 because I have no money in my wallet. That's why in that. I don't use MetaMask. I use Coinbase. Actually, it's asking me to reload it. Here, it's connecting with MetaMask. Connect.
So 19 Bud Buddies have been minted so far out of 4,000. That's what it's saying?
Yep. Yep. So let's scroll down and check out Bud Buddies. They're not on OpenSea yet.
I'm on their page right now. I'm looking at 19 coins been minted, or 19 of them been minted.
Yeah, but it's not on. They're not on OpenSea. They're not in the market yet. You're just able to mint them.
Oh, okay.
I
Here,
don't.
what am I looking at right here right now? I'll put it in the private chat.
Oh, okay. Let me check it out. You got this OpenSea collection. 19 items, 7. Oh, yeah, this could be them. Let me see. Yeah, but it's got no website right here. See, it usually has the website and the Twitter, so it's fake.
All right.
It's just someone who's copied these images and stuck them up. That's all it is. It's not real.
Kind of front run them.
Oh, actually, they are. This is the page. They minting. So this is the page. They just haven't put anything up there. But this is the
Okay.
page. You could see mint. See, mint, mint, mint. They minted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're up to number 18. So that's how they've minted 19. You saw it on the website. They minted 19, right?
Hmm.
19, there it is, right? So it matches up perfectly. 19 items, 19 minted. There you go. Magic, buddy. Connecting the pieces on the blockchain we are. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, man. You want to see some really cool shit?
Yeah.
This is a marketplace where you can come where there's no fees. It's a phantom wallet called SolSea with Solana coin. Now you're not minting a contract on the blockchain, so there's not a lot of fee. These are my listed NFTs. So I got a Solar Man, I got a Stick Man, I got a Pearl. Every one of these NFTs I sell for 100% higher, 50% higher, or a minimum of 30. I bought
So
him
what's stopping like another company, like this company, to overthrow OpenSea's marketplace for NFTs?
They don't. You have
Nothing's
Fort
stopping it,
Lauderdale
right?
Flea Market. You got Jupiter Flea Market. You got Miami Flea Market. Miami Flea Market's
Right.
not interrupting Fort Lauderdale Flea. It's just another
Yeah, but
marketplace,
that's
bro.
a whole different thing. It's like, you have their brick and mortar kind of. This is more on the internet. Everyone's fighting at the same thing. I think it's a good thing. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but it's gonna get too diluted after a while, and then
Yep.
all the prices are just gonna get fucking
Not
whacked like
yet.
the retail 2008.
Not yet. Coinbase is opening up an NFT marketplace in the beginning of the year to 70 million wallets with these collections.
With Solsi.
All these collections they're gonna apply to be on Coinbase.
So they're
And
gonna
if,
like incorporate all of them onto Coinbase, basically.
dude, if one of these collections gets on Coinbase, it's the Coinbase effect. I'll be a freaking. These things will go up. That's kind of like what I'm playing for and really honing my skills and anticipation of that. But watch. Let's go into my history, okay? Shall we? Watch this. So check this out. Like, I'll show you every single one I've sold. Look, let's start like right here. I bought him for 0.1 on the 21st. I sold him for 0.13. See that? 30% higher a couple of days later. I bought like this one for 0.5, sold for 0.10. Let me show you the girl. Look, I bought Jennifer Lopez for 2.3, Madonna for 2.3, and Chris for 2.3. I sold Jennifer for 0.5, Madonna for 0.5. I bought Bill Murray for 0.22 and sold Bill Murray for 0.3. She's 100%. She's 100%. He's more than 100%. Someone's trying to sell Bill Murray for 30 Solana now. Someone's trying to sell Jennifer Lopez right now, dude. Look how much I sold her for nothing. Look, they're selling for 2,000, 25,000 Solana, 50 Solana. I bought it for 0.2. I sold it for 0.5. These people aren't going to sell any of these. I already got it when there was only 5 in the collection. Now they're all done. Here's a 0.7. Here's a 0.7. They both started originally lower, but this thing's traded 143 total Solana. So this collection's done. And how I found this collection was I was watching this collection. You have to be like a connoisseur of what's going on. So here's the crypto fans. Crypto fans
Yeah.
started out doing amazing. It was the best collection on SolSea, and it traded 221 Solana. Then all of a sudden, no one stopped buying them because they all went up so much in price. They're all, and it's only this page of them right here. So what happened was this picture of this guy in the middle, all of a sudden came up with this one. One day I'm searching and I see celebrities and I'm like, Up, it's gone. This star in the middle was his face. I said,
Right.
mother, look at it. And there's 3 of them there for 0.2 and 1 more. I said, it's the same guy. I said, I'm going to buy it. As soon as I bought the ones for 0.2, an hour later, he rolled out 3 more celebrities, and the one for 0.2 that was left went to 0.5, and the new ones went to 0.2. I'm like, oh, that's how it works. So every time he issues a new one, it rolls down a slot. And dude, it's magic. So I figured out how they add into collections. You got to get the collections just when they start out. And dude, I sold some amazing ones. So right here, I sold today. I sold her for 2.2. I sold her for 2. So that's $600 I sold her for. Solana's $200 a coin. So I sold her for 440. Sold her for 400. I sold him for $60. I bought him for 04. I bought him for 0.10, and I bought him for 0.2. I'm selling him right now for 0.18. I'm selling him for 0.15. 50% and 50% almost right now. So if you look, I just bought them. I just bought them, and now I just listed them 0.18 and 0.15. And I just bought them. Buy them, bang them right up. And that's what I do, bro. I took $500, I doubled it to 1,000. Took 1,000, doubled it to 2. Took the 2, turned it to 8. Took the 8, turned it to 13. Took the 13 to 20. And that's how I've been doing it, dude. Buying more and more. And now I have 104. I have multiple collections. I have one on here. I have a collection on DraftKings as well. In DraftKings, I just sold some in here in my portfolio. And DraftKings has a marketplace for Tiger Woods. Tom Brady has a mystery container for Tom Brady right here for $80. 1,600 remain. Can't buy it. Pack details. Early access is 12/7 at 3 o'clock. You got to come back to get that sucker. Gotta love that, dude. That shit's going to be hot to trot. Total collectibles, 16,000. It's going to go for $80. You're going to get one mystery container. It's got his college resume, his rookie draft card, a stopwatch, his cleats, his jersey, his resume, and these are his rookie, and this is what the collectibles name is out of the collection. There's 750 of those, 650 of those, 160 of those. There's only 50
So you
of
get
these.
one of those like physical items, or you get that as an NFT that you open as a box on a virtual item. Okay.
As an NFT. Let me show you what the NFT looks like. I'll show you what mine looks like.
You got one?
Yeah, I have 2 of them. I have Tiger Woods
Nice.
and I have Tom Brady. And I have printed my own. So if you go to autograph.io, you can mint your own name. So let me show you where I'll show you on autograph.io. So if I log in with my Google, I'm right here, Pro Trader Mike. I'm sealed on the blockchain. It imprinted my name. No one can take my name ever on autograph.io. I have my own name with both Michael, my other company, and Pro Trader Mike. So go to autograph.io, put up an image of yourself or your company logo, Trader Prad, put in your address, hit mint, and it'll change your name to that, and now that'll be your name minted on the blockchain with an authentic seal of approval right there.
You pay for it?
It's free.
Free?
Yeah. So get it before someone else gets your own name.
Yeah, for sure.
So right here, here's my NFT with what's his name? Mojo. This is the where is the Tiger Woods? Here's the Tiger Woods. Cool, right?
Let me see. Yeah, I've seen the
Here's
picture
Tom
on
Brady's.
Instagram before.
Yeah, and see how it moves?
Yeah.
Cool, right?
Hologram effect.
Yeah, hologram effect. Really cool. I bought
That's
him
pretty
for
fucking cool.
300. I sold him for 550. And the reason why, because he's in the carbon collection. There's 3 collections, a carbon and a ruby and a platinum. I want to like trade up. You know what I'm saying? And get
Right.
keep on trading up and get a better one from a better collection. And when they come available, that's what I do. I sell mine and I jump in on that. So yeah, this Tom Brady mystery box drops on 12/9 at 5 p.m. So what you got to do is you got to set your calendar and come back here at 5 p.m. and buy. That link will go live and then you can buy it and you'll get that mystery box. It could be a freaking rare as can be, bro, you know? You can get one out of the mystery box for $80. That could be worth $8,000. No joke at all. If you get the ultra rare one, you can get we're worth $80,000. Did you see the Macy's Day Parade with the Macy's and the NFT?
Nah,
You didn't said the Macy's Day, I'm going to donate to charity the balloons on the Macy's Day Parade right here.
I'm
You
looking
didn't
at it
see.
right now. I don't
Look,
think I've seen that.
look how much they sell for, dude. This balloon costs more than the balloon's worth. $74,000 you can buy those the NFT for. Look at this. These are NFTs. The Macy's Thanksgiving balloon, you can own it. There's only one of them. It's $74,000. You can own that. Float. Isn't that unbelievable, dude?
Yeah.
Authenticity right there. Tiptoe, everyone's favorite bashful reindeer, takes the skies after finding the courage within to fly as he proudly prances over the streets of New York, encouraging one and all to believe in themselves. Macy's Herald Square is transformed into the most magical winter wonderland. $74,000 expires in one day. It actually plays music. Plays music.
That's crazy.
So that's like a musical NFT. And that's what bands are going to be able to do. Create a musical NFT that you could buy directly from the source, gives you access to the concert rather than going through Ticketmaster, gives them distribution and power to assetize their own fate and make them their own distribution and build their own community. Imagine buying an NFT and the band becomes in the top 10 list on the billboards and that your name is next to them because you have their NFT. So the band's up there and your name as the top fans are up there because you have 10 of their NFTs. It's the future, and the band's no longer starving, going from place to place because now they have NFTs and that technology has changed it for the artist. Look at this one, 310,000, dude, for this dragon. 310. That's a cool piece of damn art, though, but not worth 310 grand. You know what I mean?
Fuck that.
Fuck that, dude. So you could search other NFTs. Let's see if Snoop's in here. Marketplace. Oh, there's just all balloons. Look, placed a bid 210, 190, 17. And like I like to go to these people and say, who the freak is buying this? Like when I go to Bored Apes, I like to see who the hell is freaking buying these things, dude. Let's go like to a Bored Apes. I'm like, dude, who? Look, let's go to Bored Apes. Bored Ape Yacht Club. Let's go into activity. Floor price is 48. So the sales, this one just sold 5 hours ago. And what I like to do is I like to see one guy buy like 3 of them. I don't like just look at one person. Like one guy, you could see like maybe BC Vault bought like 3. Lex, I think, bought a couple. Lex 6. No. And then you're like, dude, one guy must be so Mafia Boss. He had like yesterday, a guy bought like 4 of them. 96.9 D3E. Is that him? No. You look on this column, right? Because these are the people that are buying them. Bullish NFT, Draft Daddy. I thought I saw yesterday, like one guy bought like a couple. Ape World. Board Shiba. The Hustler. He bought one for $219. Ace Ventura. I wonder if that's what's his name? Ace Ventura from that show. Cool.
All right. Well, I was listening to, and Brian Armstrong, he was,
There's a FinTwit space going on right now.
They got it
Yeah.
all set up when they have the analysts show up, like before, like they'll have to private.
What dives the value up? I get a select few that are unique. CryptoPunks being the first. Bored Apes popped off, but most of these seem like duds. Yeah. You got to see where the industry goes. I'm being flexible. I'm not jumping in. So, I'm trading what the trend is and staying a trend. Trend is the friend. So let's see, like, this guy paid 300 grand. This guy paid 303,000. Queen. He's got 3 apes. This guy's got 3 apes. And he has a CryptoPunk. Dude, this guy's freaking, and he has me bits. This guy's big, dude. He joined in September of 2021. He has 3 apes. It's $1 million. Right here, these 3 apes are worth $1 million.
Insane.
Insane. And this guy is worth 90 Ethereum. He's worth 90 Ethereum. He bought it right here for 87. He listed it for 92, 89, 90. He keeps on changing it. See? 94. So he paid 87 Ethereum. Look at the chart on this one. He paid here. This guy paid 9. He bought it for 59 Ethereum. And he's trying to sell it for 43. He's taking well, that's the highest offer. But he's taking a beating right there. That's it, man. So that's some cool shit, bro. That's some good stuff.
I can't imagine buying these high priced NFTs, like, buying them at the low price and then selling them up maybe like, 100%, 200%.
Yeah, you got to get them on the mint.
Yeah, what you're doing is good, but
like Bud Buddies, you got to get it on the mint, man. And then they, hope you get a really good one. And if you don't, dump it and get out of it and move to the next one. And if you do 10 of them, you're going to hit a rare one like I did. And I actually have hit 2 in the last 10.
How has your luck been so far on that? On minting? Like, let's say what are your numbers,
half, I'd say half of them I've gotten lucky on. Probably 25% I've gotten lucky on and gotten a medium to a nice rare one where I've made, like I said, I made 4,501 and the mods I made that 4,500, and another mint I bought for 400 is 200. You just got to get lucky, man. But the one I'm down 200 on, the one I sold for 4,000 trumps them all. So it doesn't, I could keep on taking, buying a couple more lottery tickets, because I hit on one. So that's all you need.
Nuts.
And with this market, I think it's easier to hit on them. If I have a trick, like I said, a scanning trick with the rankings on how I find these and with the activity. So you can go into activity and you could see what the hell's going on and compare this to the rankings. And I got a little formula, and that's how I come up with the ones that are trending, man.
Now, do you Do you make a percentage if you're just a reseller, or only the artist who created it makes a percentage every time it's resold?
Only the artist
Only
who
the
create it.
artist?
Yeah. And it costs me a fee to sell it.
Of course, like a transaction fee.
Yeah, sometimes it does. It's weird. Sometimes I go to sell and it just comes up on my phone to confirm and no fee. Sometimes I sell and it costs a fee, but I can cancel it and change it all the time. The ones where it's free, sometimes I cancel it, and then when I go try to relist it, they charge me the fee. So it seems like you drive the car with some gas and you can
Yeah.
use it, but then if you stop, you got to refill the tank and stuff. See, this guy just bought this gold hunt game for 447. So I go check it out right there. Maybe it's like it's a game. So he's got this one right here. It's 0.08. Okay. 513 volume. That's a lot of volume. So if that times 4,000 a coin is a lot, dude. So let's go into the activity. And this is what I look. See how the chart's going up? And it's a minute, a minute, a minute, a minute. I want this one. See how it's trading? 6 minutes, 7. They're buying 400 at a pop. No problem. Do you see that? Every minute, this fucking thing is trading like a beast. I could trade. So you want to get one of these, kind of like a rare one. Maybe they're just minting it. Let's see what's going on. Playing the gold game, their white paper. Here's their Twitter. Let's go to the items. 0.055. Let's go to buy now. In Ethereum. This guy's 085, 085, 099.
So you can buy these directly from them,
Right
or you
now.
can mint
Right
it
now.
and get a
No,
random
you
one.
can't mint it. The mint's done. The mint has
Okay.
10,000 items already out. See, 10.5 thousand items. So the mint's over. But now they're bringing it up higher and they're buying the pants off of it. So I would
Alright.
pay up to. Could you sell it for $1,000? That's what you have to determine. Look, this one just went for 1,000. See that?
Can't the artist himself
But
just
that's a
fucking
bundle.
pump the
This is
shit out
two
of
of them.
his own shit?
No.
You can just buy up your own shit and just pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. Buy it off a different account.
Yeah, but he's got to have the money to buy it. Artists only get paid when they sell.
Yeah, like, like fucking get a loan, pump it up, pump up your art by
You
buying
can
it so
you could
people like
sweep
you
the
on the scanner
floor.
see it.
You could see the
I,
floor. You
I
could
know what
see
I'm saying. Like
you could
people
sweep
like
the
you on the
floor.
scanner see it, you start jumping it on it, and then like it's just him pumping it from the back. Is that ever
Yeah, well,
happened?
that's this. So if you go to all NFTs, this is another one of the tricks. You've kind of uncovered it, but since you did, I'll show it to you. So if you go into all NFTs at the top and you sort by most favorited, these at the top at 362,000. Let's see what they are now. Now they're 421. Earlier on today's show, they were 362,000. They hired bots to all go and favorite this top collection. So if someone looks at the
Yeah,
most favorited, these are coming up.
yeah. Like that's so easy to do. That's so
So
easy to
easy to do.
manipulate.
So easy to manipulate. And that's what this collection's done. So they've effectively spent money to have bots go on and like 1,000 bots cross-section like each other and favorite each other's things. And tomorrow it'll be at 500,000 and they'll continue to stay at the top.
Gotta love it.
Yep, gotta love it. So, but the socks are something else, bro. So thank you for showing me about the socks, brother. And
Yeah.
we got a bunch of people. We answered some questions. I think we can. This is
115 grand for a pair. Fuck me.
we can make this definitely more interactive, and maybe like send out an invitation, like on the
Yeah, for
Twitter,
sure.
like we're gonna announce, like during the day today. We could have sent out, hey guys, build up your questions. Here's the
Yeah.
link on YouTube tonight. Come to the stream and we'll answer all your questions and we'll share screen and show you live, everything you need to. That's because doing the visual where we could show it and having an audience would be so much cooler because, you know, it just the impact of the visual of what, if they could see what we're talking about and be in the conversation, it brings the Twitter space to like a next level, you know?
Yeah, we need to do that next for sure.
Yeah, because
Planned it
10
all
people
out,
can come in.
pre-planned. This was kind of like quick though, you know?
Yeah, because 10 people can
Fun as
come in
well.
here. You can, I could share, 10 people could could come around this thing, and we can all be rapping, and, you know, Mahish, instead of coming on YouTube, could come on here if they wanted to talk and have questions and ask them around, you know. But for the first
Right.
time, it was pretty cool.
Mm.
Thanks, brother, for coming on and doing the Mojo show. And
Yes, sir.
anything you
Thank
want,
you for
anything
having
you want to
me.
add before you leave?
Yeah, thank you for having me. Obviously, for anyone who doesn't know me yet, my Twitter is Trader TV Pride, and you can see me. Whatever I do is in there. So thank you for having me once again, and can't wait to come back. Can't wait to see you in Twitter Spaces. And
Cool, brother. Cool, man. Thank you so much too. And I'll catch you all on the next show, guys. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Peace. Keep it profitable, later.